Guys, we are back for another video. This is basically I'm going to solve a question on the parametric equations of a curve. So this is targeting the A level student who chose pure mathematics as one of their subject, and then you're writing two papers, paper 1 and paper 3. So for those who are having a knowledge, okay, on the parametric equations, this question may be interesting for you to look at it and see how it is solved. And for those who don't have a clear understanding of parametric equation, there will be basically a video coming up. So this is I'm going to solve it right away. Let's get into it. Okay, so let me just discuss about the question. You have a parametric equation of a curve R. So you know that parametric equations, it is divided into two basically, or it involves two variables. So here you have y is equal to 2 theta plus sine 2 theta, and you have 3 minus 2 cos 2 theta. So you have the domain theta between 0 and pi over 2 or 0 and 90 degree, and you need to show that dy over dy dx is equal to cos theta. So when you differentiate the parametric equations, you need to show this. And this is 5 marks, by the way. So these are the type of questions that we need to get into it and look at it. Let's get back to how to solve it. So this is what I want to show. Dy, dx is equal to cos theta. Okay. So I need to find dy d theta. Okay, and then I will find later, so this is my first step. My second step, I'll have to find dx d theta. Okay, dx d theta, yeah. So that at the end of the day, I will have dy dx, which will now become dy d theta times what? D theta dx, so that this will cancel each other and you get dy dx. So this is what I'm looking for. Okay, and making sure that I shouldn't get double angles like I'm having here, but only one theta inside. So dy d theta, it is what? You have 2 theta, so it is 2, just like you were dealing with x. Okay, here is an angle. So sine 2 theta, if you use substitution, and then you are good at it, it will be easy for you. I think I'll teach something like that in my next video or in one of my videos coming up. So this will now get you plus 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, now dx d theta, you have 3 is a constant. Okay, so here you have a positive because cos, when you differentiate cos, you get negative sign. So this is negative and negative and negative positive. So you get 2 sine 2 theta. Now, when you look at what they are asking you, you shouldn't have a double angles like 2 theta inside. No, you should have only theta. So using your double angles formulas, okay, you break this thing up. So this is how I will do. So this will now become 2 plus 2. So this will become cos square theta, okay, minus sine square theta. Okay, and then this will now become what? 2 into bracket sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. So I will explain double angles in one of my videos. So this one is for those who have knowledge about parametric equation, double angles. Basically, you are not really struggling on this topic. Okay, so now this is what I'm supposed to write: dy d theta times d theta over dx. So I write dy d theta, which is 2. Okay, so I write 2 plus 2 cos square theta minus sine square theta times 1 over, okay, because it is d theta over dx. So 1 over what? This thing. So I'm having 2, or let me say 4, because I'm multiplying this both. 4 sine theta cos theta. Okay, so 1 times this whole thing, it will not really change. So now I'll write dy dx Okay, I will have 2 plus 2 cos square theta minus sine square theta. Okay, all over, okay, let me look at it again, 4 sine theta cos theta. So I write 4 sine theta cos theta. Okay, so now I can simplify. Okay, if I simplify 2 out, I'll get 1, okay, plus cos square theta minus sine square theta all over 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay. Now, when I expand, make sure that at the end of the day, we are looking for cot theta. So you don't have to forget your target, what you are looking for, what you are aiming to. That's basically what we are doing. So this is what I will do. 1 plus cos square theta minus sine square theta. So I expand the bracket, 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, so now I think this will be my longest video because I'm in 6 minutes 16 already. So anyhow, we are already through. Okay, so here I'm looking for cot. Oh wow, we know already that cot, it is cos over sine. So 1, I can change it as sine squared plus cos squared theta. You can look at my previous video. Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1, plus cos squared theta minus sine squared theta all over, okay, 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, so what do I get? Okay, I get what? Sine squared minus sine squared, I'm gone, is gone. So I have cos squared plus cos squared. So I have 2 cos squared theta all over 2 sine theta cos theta. So I'm cancelling 2 and cos. So I'll have what? 1 cos on top, sine theta, okay, and then I'm having cot theta. Okay, so this is basically what you were supposed to do. I know it's long, right? But then it's 5 marks. Okay, it is 5 marks, so it makes sense. It makes sense for it to be that long. So in case you have any question, drop a comment below. Okay, yeah, you can see it's 5 marks. So in case you have a question, drop a comment below, and then thumbs up, a like for your girl to encourage. And see you in the next video. Bye.